Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can put your stop loss in Bybit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Bybit app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on in the screen, where you can see there is two options. First one is derivatives and another one is spot, just down below of this dashboard. So you can choose any of them because the process is going to be same. So let me tap on the spot for now because to show you a demo. Now you can see there is a order value option, so make sure you enter the amount before you add the stop loss. So let me tap on the order value, and now let's say 100 USDT, and now simply tap on the TP/SL, and it's distinguishable by its plus icons on the screen. So let's tap on the TP/SL, and SL basically means the stop loss and TP basically means a take profit. So let's tap on the trigger price just down below of this SL, and now you need to enter the amount, let's say 50 USDT. And finally, once everything's done, simply tap on the confirm, and you will be able to put your stop loss in Bybit app successfully. So basically this is how you can put your stop loss in Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.